When it comes to PPC advertising, more and more people are now starting to wake up to Bing and to think about it as a viable option to use alongside Google. Of course, the biggest PPC network with Google AdWords, which people will use in order to appear on Google searches. This makes sense, seeing as Google is the biggest search engine there is. But Bing is big too. With 20% of the market and 30% if you count Yahoo, this is not an insignificant amount. Moreover, it is a very good idea to make sure that you have advertising on both platforms in case Google ever changes its policies or in case it ever goes down for some reason. But you shouldn't just think of Bing as Google's poor cousin. You should think of it as a useful addition. In some ways, Bing actually trumps Google. We'll look at how here and demonstrate why it's important to make sure that you give Bing the attention it deserves. Bing is less competitive. The first big advantage that Bing offers is that it is less competitive. With fewer other advertisers trying to get seen on Bing, that means that there will be less competition for ad spaces. Seeing as PPC works using a bidding system, this is very good news. It means that you won't have the price of your CPC driven up through a bidding war. In turn, that then also means that you'll get more customers for a cheaper amount. Specifically, you'll pay 33.5% less for Bing traffic. Bing has better targeting. Another big advantage of Bing is that it gives you some more precise controls in a number of ways. This largely relates to the targeting that Bing offers. For example, Bing allows you to target your ads only to people on tablets and smartphones. This can be very useful if you combine it with location targeting, as it allows you to target people literally out in the street looking for place to stay, eat or shop. At the same time, Bing also allows you to target your users based on things like their gender and age. It can do this because it will look at the Microsoft profile associated with the account. Bing offers more control in some areas. In some ways, Bing also lets you control certain aspects of your ads better. For example, if you use Bing, then you'll be able to target based on time of day. You can control what time of day your ads show, and this can then help you to ensure that you're not showing your ads at 3 a.m. in a specific location. Bing has nice big images. Okay, so this isn't exactly a game changer. But Bing's homepage is really nice. Go to do a search on Bing and you'll be greeted by a huge and very attractive photo of the day. Someday, that beautiful big image could end up being the one thing Google doesn't have. It's unlikely, but it could happen.